In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download music from some website to your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up a web browser. Then just head over to some website from which you wanna download an audio file. Here I got some MP3 samples, and to start downloading from that website we need to tap a download button. After a couple of seconds it will open up that audio player. First off, we can pause that music, and then to download it to our device we need to tap right here at share, then scroll down, and in here we need to select save to files. After that we can select a folder in which we would like to save this file. I'm gonna choose downloads folder. And also in here we can select different file name for that audio file. We can change it by entering some symbols here, or we can remove the entire name and enter new one. And then once you are ready to save it, tap at save. Now I'm gonna show you how we can easily find the file we have just downloaded. To do that, I'm gonna use Files app. That is official Apple application. If you haven't got this app on your device, just head over to the App Store, search for Files, then search for Files app, and then just download the app to your device. After that, we can open it up. And then all we have to do is just head over to our downloads folder. On my device it is located on my iPhone, then downloads, and that's where we can easily find the MP3 file we have just downloaded. And guys, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.